Every day presents us with a crossroads. Holding our plates in hand, we face a pivotal choice: succumb to the day's chaos with mindless munching, or pause, breathe, and choose mindful eating. This isn't merely about the mechanics of consuming food hastily or absent-mindedly. It's about the habit that can spiral into stress eating, overeating, and a loss of connection with our food and bodies, making us strangers to our own nourishment. Yet, there's a more rewarding path. Mindful eating deepens our engagement with the eating process, savoring textures, flavors, and aromas, tuning into hunger signals, and dining with intention and gratitude. This journey transforms our food relationships from mindless consumption to meaningful interaction. As we proceed, the why behind mindful eating will unfold, showcasing its potential to revolutionize our meals and life perspective. Let's embark together on embracing mindful eating. At mindful eating's core is a transformative idea. Eat with intention and attention. Reflect on your last meal. Were you fully engaged or distracted? This segment explores mindful eating's profound benefits, not only reshaping our food relationships, but enriching our overall well-being. It's not merely about what we eat, but the awareness with which we eat, leading to healthier eating habits. By truly being present and appreciating the nourishment, we mitigate unhealthy eating patterns and foster psychological satisfaction, turning meals into meditative experiences that reduce stress and increase joy. The ensuing journey unveils practical steps to integrate mindfulness into our meals, reflecting on its power to transform our daily lives and our understanding of ourselves and our environment. Embarking on the mindful eating journey, we align with three guiding principles: listening to your body, eating slowly, and appreciating your food. Imagine engaging in a dialogue with your body, learning to interpret hunger and fullness cues as a fundamental part of mindful dining. Eating slowly then becomes a meditative ritual that enriches the sensory experience and supports digestion, fostering gratitude for the meal. Appreciating your food further enhances this experience, honoring the journey from earth to plate and the collective effort behind each meal. This segment will share inspiring stories of those who've woven these practices into their lives, revealing the transformative impact on health and overall life quality. Their narratives offer a glimpse into the profound changes that mindful eating can inspire, laying the foundation for a deeper connection with food, body, and mind. The realm of mindful eating is replete with stories of transformation, where individuals evolve from passive feeders to engaged eaters, celebrating every bite. Testimonies abound of enhanced digestion, better weight management, and an enriched sensory relationship with food. Beyond the physical, the shift towards mindful eating reshapes life's approach, reducing stress and amplifying joy. These stories highlight mindful eating as a lifestyle that reconnects us with our meals and ourselves. The improvements extend beyond dietary habits, touching physical, mental, and emotional health spheres, proving when we eat mindfully, we nourish far more than just our bodies. As we delve deeper, these powerful transformations serve as reminders of our inherent resilience and adaptability. Having explored the essence and impact of mindful eating, the journey now extends an invitation to you. Embarking on this path can seem daunting, yet the rewards of connecting deeply with every meal are immeasurable. Mindfulness in eating transforms not only our dining experiences, but infuses every life aspect with enhanced awareness and gratitude. It invites us to cherish each bite and listen intently to our body's needs. This transformative lifestyle awaits, offering peace and fulfillment beyond the table. Your adventure into the realms of mindful eating, guided by mindfulness at every turn, begins now.